license key. You have to have a license key before you start this process. Either your documentation or the vendor, make sure you have the license key, because if you go through this process, you you won't be able to activate a license without the license key. Microsoft intentionally does not put the license on the computer in the registry or anything anywhere because they're money making people. Okay, so I go to manage licenses, and the key step here is I go to rebuild, and I just go with corrupted here. I'm pretty sure this is just labeling. It really doesn't matter. It's for Microsoft's benefit to know this. Functionally no difference. Note we're deleting the existing licenses on the server. So if you have a mix of licenses, old licenses, different versions, this can be a way to clean things up. Okay. Or let's say your server died and you're building a new one. You could also go through this same process and it works. You might, if you're considerate to Microsoft, you might select something different on the screen, but this process does work. Okay. Screen doesn't really say anything. All right, I have a retail pack. That's what I work with the most. So per device specifically. I'm not giving you a free license key, so it's all blurred out there, but you can just type it in on your own. Okay, and here it's activating the license, right? So again, the reason we're doing this is because we can't activate the license if it's already activated, right? That's the point. Okay, that's the end.